Hey guys, it's Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to find the distance between 2 points using the distance formula. So the distance formula tells us that if we take the square root of the difference of the x values and we square that, plus the difference in the y values and square that, we'll get the distance between 2 points. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example so we can apply this formula. So here we have 2 points. We have 1, 3, and 4, 7. So let's start off by labeling these points. So let's label this point x1 and label this y1, and let's label this x2 and let's label this y2. So let's go ahead and plug these values into our formula. So we have the distance is equal to the square root of x2, which is just 4, minus x1, which is 1, square that, plus y2, which is just 7, minus y1, which is 3, and square that. And then let's go ahead and simplify this. So we have 4 minus 1, which is just 3, and then square that, plus 7 minus 3 is just 4, so 4 squared. And then let's go ahead and simplify this down further. So we get 9 plus 16, and adding that up, we get the square root of 25, which is just equal to 5. And that is our final answer. So that is how you use the distance formula to find the distance between 2 points. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.